what's really good? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dymund, and I hope you guys are all doing amazingly well. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I put this unit together sent to me by Beauty Forever hair. So stick around and I will give you all the details, and I will show you how I laid this wig and how I melted this wig using only GOT2B glue. Okay, do not forget to check out the description box where you will get the link to this wig and all other information that you will need as well. So Beauty Forever sent me this absolute gorgeous hair here. I'm using the 13x4 lace frontal body wave in a 26 inches, and this is 180 density. So the wig comes with a slightly bleached knot, so I didn't actually bleach it again myself. I just added my foundation to it. It comes pre-plucked. It has a natural hairline, and you can wear it glueless, and it also comes with baby hair as well.
I really like the way this one feels on my head, so I'm just going to go ahead and install it, and then we can talk some more, okay?
Now, I only use this method if I know I'm only going to wear the wig for about a day. That's when I prefer to use this method, because it is gentle on your hairline, and literally all it takes is a pat of like a wet, warm towel around the hairline, and it usually just, you know, takes the wig off without ripping edges. Soki olingi ola ta perruque na oka kamukolo moko, utiliser technique oyo parce que ekokata yo suki na liboso te, et puis ezali très simple pour na utiliser. You can buy this from any hair shop, even Boots, even Tesco's. Me and you don't really like that boxy hairline, then I would recommend parting your baby hair in a zigzag motion, so then it gives it like a natural look. Ngana lingaka na bimisa ba baby hair nanga na zigzag motion. Tango ozali kolongola suki na liboso, partageango na motion ya zigzag, comme ça ebima boxe carré te quoi, ebima moi bien. Listen, I've said and I will continue to say, invest in a hot comb, okay? So combing your baby hair down, it just gives it a nice slick flat finish when you do decide to lay your edges down. So I would definitely recommend purchasing a hot comb, and it just makes the hair look nice and flat as well. Somba hot comb oyo eko sungayo makasi nandenge muka kusakana te. Like I mentioned, I didn't bleach my knots, but I did go in with my foundation, and I used just the smallest amount just to put on the lace so that it has the nice transition color. Kota na fold tena yo ochiango na lace, comme ça ebima bien, ebima complexion moko na poso na yo. Utilize kaka fond de teint na yo o chaka ne longi cha mukie ko pota potabilité, mukie kaka ekosala o tokos. cutting your lace, you will notice that there's a halo around the area. So what I like to do is go back in with my GOT2B glue, and I use the metal bit of my tail comb, and I put GOT2B glue around the halo section, and I'll go in with the blow dryer and I'll pat it flat so that it melts right into my skin. Use the heat on cold, because on hot you might just burn yourself, baby girl. And there we have it. I have come to the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the techniques that I used and how I put this wig together, honey. Do not forget that you can save. Do not forget that you can get an extra $10 off by using beautyytb. That is beautyytb for an extra $10 off of yourself. Do not forget to comment, to like, and to subscribe, and also check out the description box for all of the details and the links on this hair. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to share. Bye.